Hello and welcome to Celestial Space Facts. This video contains cool space facts for the kids. It's exciting for me also, and let's get started. And please, in the front, I would like to say, if you are liking our channels, our videos, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Celestial Space Facts. And let's get started with the cool space facts for the kids. Our sun is over 300,000 times bigger than Earth. Halley's Comet only enters our inner solar system every 75 years. The last time it was visible from the Earth was in 1986, and the next time will be 2061. Venus has temperature over 450 degrees C and is listed as hottest planet in our solar system. Scientists believe that our solar system was formed over 4.6 billion years ago. The Earth has constant activity in the way of weather, erosion, earthquakes and volcanic flow that cover up the many impact craters that have occurred on the planet. The moon seems like it has more scars and craters than Earth because it has less activity that affects its surface than Earth. We know about the rings of Saturn, but there are other planets in our solar system that have rings, including Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune. Their rings just aren't as big and obvious. The moon does not have any wind to blow around and cover the footprints and rover tire tracks that were left by the astronauts. It's believed that those prints will stay there for millions of years. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union (IAU) downgraded Pluto from a ninth planet to dwarf planet. Mars has lower gravity than Earth. A person that weighs 200 pounds on Earth will be 76 pounds if they stood on the moon. Uranus is only planet in our solar system that rotates on its side, and Venus is the only planet in our solar system that spins backward relative to other planets. Some of the meteors that are traveling through our solar system are speeding through it at around 26 mi per second, 42 kilometers per second. The first human-made object that was sent into space was Russian satellite Sputnik, launched in 1957. The gravity from our sun and moon gives us the low and high tides of our oceans, seas and water. Our sun is thought to be average size star, and yet 1 million Earth could be fit into the sun. For many years, scientists thought that Earth might be the only planet in our solar system with the liquid water. NASA findings show strong evidence that Mars might have liquid water. Comets are made of sand, ice and carbon dioxide and a leftover material from the formation of our solar system 4.5 billion years ago. The gas giants in our solar system are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They are almost completely gas, so you couldn't be able to walk on them. Throughout the years of space travel, humans have left a lot of trash in Earth's orbit. This is called space junk, and it is believed that there are 500,000 pieces of space junk in the orbit today. Earth is hit by asteroids around the size of car around once per year. Thankfully, most of it burned up in the atmosphere before it hits the land. Scientists believe that there are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on all of the Earth's beaches. When you are on Mars, the sunset looks like it's blue. There isn't any atmosphere in space, and that means that it doesn't have a medium for sound to travel in. This makes space completely silent. Radio waves can be sent and received in the space, so astronauts use radio waves to communicate back to the Earth. The closest planet to the Sun is Mercury, but it's Venus that is hottest planet in the solar system. Venus has an average temperature of around 450 degrees C. Other than Earth, scientists believe that the only other planet in the solar system that could be hospitable to life is more than likely Mars. This is due to 1986 discovery of rock from the Mars that is thought to contain microscopic fossils. It's thought that there are between 200 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Scientists believe that there are billions of galaxies in the universe. The cost of complete space suit from the NASA is 1,200,000.70%. Of this cost is for control module and backup. Neutron stars are some of the smallest and the densest stars that we know of in the universe. They may only have a radius of around 6 mi per 10 kilometers, but they also have a density that is around 2 times that of Sun. Their fast rotation means that they can spin as fast as 600 to 712 times per second. Neutron stars are created when the core of star collapses after a supernova explosion. Yale University scientists believe that they have found a rocky planet 40 light years away called 55 Cancri that has a radius that is twice that of our Earth and a mass that is 8 times greater. They think the surface is made up of graphite and diamond. A single day on Venus is almost longer than single Earth year. Wow! It takes 243 Earth days for Venus to complete one orbit. That would be a day. It takes Venus 18 Earth days to complete a single year rotation around the Earth. We have learned that galaxies in the universe are always moving. The closest galaxy to the Milky Way is Andromeda Galaxy, and it's believed that in 3.75 billion years, the two galaxies will collide and will form a giant elliptical galaxy. If two pieces of same type of metal touch each other in space, they will experience what is called cold welding and permanently bond together. This is because, unlike Earth, space doesn't have air or water that separates the metal, and in space it doesn't know that they are separate pieces. Astronomers have searching space and have located a huge water vapor cloud 10 billion light years away that seem to hold around 140 trillion times the amount of water in our Earth's ocean. This makes it largest discovery of water ever found so far. Scientists have a theory that the moon was once part of Earth when it was a young planet. It's thought that at one time there was a collision with the giant object that broke a piece of Earth away and has material orbited the Earth due to gravitational pull. It eventually became the moon. We know that our sun is huge, but the touching part is that mass of the sun takes up 99.86% of the mass of our entire solar system. The sun is made up of 3/4 hydrogen and helium. Olympus Mons is a volcano on the Mars that is 3 times the size of Mount Everest. Scientists think that the volcano might still be active. Scientists believe that observed part of universe is around 13.8 billion years old. Since the universe was formed in Big Bang, the universe continues to expand. It's estimated that in observable universe there are 2 trillion galaxies. Scientists always thought that the space in between the galaxy was empty. Recent discoveries have shown that there is actually one atom per cubic meter of space between the galaxies. Our solar system is made up of sun, planets, dwarf planets, moons and other objects zooming around in the space such as asteroids and comets. For many astronomers listed our solar system with 9 planets. However, that changed when the International Astronomical Union (IAU) created the classification of a dwarf planet and downgraded Pluto from a planet to dwarf planet. Our solar system has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. If you added all planets together, they would make up only 0.14% of the mass of solar system. 99% of mass would be from the gas giants of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Except for the Earth, the planets are named after mythological Greek and Roman gods. If you added up the mass of all the moons in a solar system, it would be less than 0.1% of the mass of Earth. Scientists believe that a majority of universe is made up of mysterious element called dark matter. They don't know much about the dark matter and they can't see that they have done mathematical calculations to show that it exists. Another mysterious discovery that scientists have made is the fact that universe is expanding at exponential rates. They have developed a theory that involves the existence of dark energy to explain why universe is expanding as it is. When we see Uranus in the solar system, it is lovely, featureless, blue ball that seems like it is floating in the space. Uranus is one of the gas giants planets and scientists don't know why it's rotating on its sides. They have a theory that it might have experienced a collision in its ancient past that caused it to tilt. Lo is one of the moon, Lo is one of the moons of Jupiter and it has hundreds of volcanoes. Lo is thought to be most active moon in the solar system. Sweepy flumes as high as 250 miles into the atmosphere. So far, our space exploration to other planets, moons and asteroids have shown that Mars have the biggest volcano in the solar system. Olympus moon is 374 mi at the rate 6,602 kilometers across and 16 mi per 23 kilometers high. Mars set a few records in our solar system, including the planet that have the longest valleys. Valles Marius is 2500 mi per 4000 kilometers long and over 10 times longer than Earth's Grand Canyon. The 1971 view taken from the Mariner 9 spacecraft showed the canyon to be about as long as United States. We are very lucky on the Earth to be able to see solar eclipse. We can see them because the sun is exactly 4,000 times the moon size and the moon is 4,000 times closer to the Earth. If our sun was sized of average front door, the Earth would be size of nickel. Lightning storms on Jupiter and Saturn turn methane into carbon soot that falls and hardens into chunks of graphite and then diamond. So it rains diamonds on Saturn and Jupiter, and scientists think the largest of these are about 1 centimeter in diameter. The Hubble Space Telescope spotted a planet in 2013 that was blue and seemed to look quite a bit like Earth. But the planet has a temperature of 1832 degrees F and it rains glass sideways at around 4300 mph. Pan is one of the Saturn's moons and it is in the shape of walnut. Walnut is my favorite because it absorbing some of the material that make up Saturn's ring. Eating walnut is helpful. If you lined up all the planets in a solar system, they would fit in between moon and the earth. Wow, these 65 cool space facts for the kids were wonderful. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and learned a lot about space facts. 65 videos. Oh, 65 points. We wish you a good day. Have a nice day. Love. And last but not the least, do like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Celestial Space Facts. Thank you for all the support, all the subscribers, all the viewers and all the watchers. Thank you. Because of you all, our channel is growing and soon we will reach to the monetization threshold. Thank you so much. Love.